Hi, we're going to find the lowest common multiple uh, of an array of numbers or integers using a Numpy function. So we're going to start by importing Numpy. And we're going to give it an alias of NP. We're going to create a array. We're going to set to, let's say, set it to these values. Okay, this is our array. Now we're going to say, LCM equals NP dot LCM for the lowest common denominator dot reduce. Do I need to do reduce? And then array 1. Let's try that first. LCM fx. Let's print that and see what it does. Taking its time. Okay, so that's our lowest common denominator. Let me try this without using reduce and see what it does. LCM fx2 equals np.lcm bracket array 1. Try that as well. Let's label this LCM 1. Put some spaces in, and then print just a carry return, and then print LCM2. Separate it again by some spaces. Okay, let's try that. So yeah, we do need to reduce it then. Yeah, we need to use reduce. If we don't use reduce, we need to use these values in there. So I'll copy these. Put those in there. Try that. Oh, yeah. Two positional arguments. 2 to 3. Oh, what's wrong with this? Let's try 2. Oh, there we go. You only take 2 positional arguments. So if you want more than 2 positional arguments, you need to put it in an array and then use the keyword reduce. Okay, that's the lowest common multiple function in Python NumPy.